If you really like biology, go for it. If you really like maths, go for it. Don't be taking something you don't like to do because it's going to hinder you in the long term.
So I'm Deanne. I'm the National Admin Coordinator for the School of Nursing and Midwifery at the University of Notre Dame.
Wonderful, Deanne. Thanks for joining me on the Choosing Your Uni podcast. Tell me a little bit about nursing at Notre Dame.
Absolutely. So we're a 3-year program for the undergrad. At the end of that 3 years, you'll come out as a registered nurse. The good thing about Notre Dame, we have the highest amount of clinical placement hours. So throughout your degree, when you come out, you will have had 1,060 hours of hands-on hospital experience. The general average is about 800 to 900, so you'll come out well on top.
And one of the things that I've noticed about Notre Dame over the years is just the extraordinary student satisfaction when it comes to nursing programs, education, these sorts of things. I mean, extraordinary.
Yeah, absolutely. So we have quite small class sizes, particularly with our sim labs. So we'll have about a 1 to 12 student ratio. Yeah, you know, when you're practicing those skills, you've got someone there. It's very easy. You can repeat as you're going. We are quite a big school. We are growing, but we're small enough where we still do know, big enough to get all the good perks, small enough to know all of our students really well.
Love it. What else do people need to know about nursing at Notre Dame? What else makes it special here?
I think we have some amazing academics. A lot are still very clinically relevant. They'll still have clinical shifts throughout the week or on the weekend, and then they're coming in and teaching. So they're really up to date on everything that's going on in the career. And yeah, nursing's just wonderful.
And it's one of those things, isn't it? It's having people that are still out there practicing makes such a difference.
Absolutely. In
terms of your real life skills, because that knowledge is constantly evolving. Practice is constantly evolving, isn't it?
Absolutely, 100%. So they're very, very clinically relevant.
Amazing, Dan. Thanks for your time.
Not a problem.
G'day, it's Rob here. Hey, are you a parent or a carer of a student that's thinking of going to uni in the years ahead? Did you know that Choosing Your Uni has a whole bunch of resources that are just for people like you? And you can find those at parents.choosingyouruni.com. You're going to find things like links to our Facebook community, downloadable worksheets, and heaps of advice by parents for parents. It's all the sort of stuff that you need to help guide your student on their journey to uni and beyond. Check it out now, parents.choosingyouruni.com.
My name is Maddie. I study nursing. I'm in my 3rd and final year in my 2nd semester.
Great to meet you, Maddie. Thanks for joining me on the Choosing Your Uni podcast.
Lovely to be here.
Nursing is a very well-known program here at Notre Dame. One of the best. Extremely well ranked.
Yes.
What's it like to study?
Notre Dame Nursing is a wonderful course because we're so hands-on. Every week we do a simulation tutorial where we're practicing our skills, we're putting theory into practice, and then every semester we go into the clinical space and put those theory and those practice into the clinical setting.
What made you choose nursing?
The clinical hours that Notre Dame provides are far more than any other university, so it's very hands-on, very practical. And when I finish my degree at the end of the year, I'm going to have such good clinical experience that will boost me in my job applications.
Was there something that surprised you about nursing that you weren't expecting when you sort of started that degree?
I wasn't expecting to love the gross bits as much as I do. I love learning about injections. I love learning about IVs. I love learning about wound dressings. And it's so practical to put everything into putting my theory into practice. It's just amazing.
So for somebody that's maybe in high school, not sure what they want to do, what kind of person do you think is well suited to exploring nursing as an option?
Nursing has a lot of different personalities, a lot of different values and beliefs, all those different people you meet in nursing. So anyone who loves people, anyone who loves biology and science and pharmacology and all those little things, nursing is a great course for you. And it's also a good springboard if you want to do a postgrad into any sort of health science as well, especially medicine.
Perfect. Yeah, that's very true, actually, as a pathway into medicine, because that's obviously incredibly competitive.
The best doctors are nurses.
That's very true too, isn't it? Because people don't realise that, but it's such a different skill set, but complementary.
Yes, it is. So I've had a lot of friends in medicine, and what we learn is very similar but very different.
Awesome. Tell me a little bit about the life here on campus. What's the vibe like here, Notre Dame, Sydney?
It's very much a community. So every week we have activities and activations on campuses, like free food, like activities. We have out-of-campus events pretty much very often. So it's very much community-like. So you see all the faces that you normally see in classes, but you meet different people from different courses as well.
Yeah, incredible. And is there anything else that's sort of special about Notre Dame, whether that's like extracurricular programs or anything like that, something that really stands out?
Notre Dame is very good at supporting their students, in particular with their academia, writing support, math support. Before I came, I actually did some Notre Dame math help, which really helped me with my nursing. But also the sports that they offer. I play netball and touch on Tuesdays and Fridays every week, which is really amazing because I meet lots of different people. It's awesome.
And final question, Maddie, advice for 17-year-old self. Let's say going into year 11 or 12, what advice would you have for yourself knowing what you know now?
Knowing what I would know now, I wouldn't worry. I think that following what I want to do and my passions would be my greatest advice. If you really like biology, go for it. If you really like maths, go for it. Don't be taking something you don't like to do because it's going to hinder you in the long term. But there's also a lot of pathways to get into university and tertiary education. So university isn't the be-all, end-all. I think it's a great opportunity if you have the chance to go for it. So there's always ways to go to everything you want to do.
So since you mentioned it, I said last question, but I'll ask one more.
Take your time.
You said pathways. Do you know much about the pathways here to Notre Dame?
So pathways at Notre Dame are preparing students who maybe have taken a break from studying or didn't quite get the marks to get into the courses that they want to do. So it's preparing them for full-time work and developing the skills for them to succeed in tertiary education. Because we don't want them to get into tertiary education, for example, a bachelor's course, and then fail in their first semester. Because it's financially a bit hard on people and it might take too much time out of their work life as well. So pathways are a great opportunity for you to prepare yourself to excel.
Amazing. Thanks for joining me on the podcast, Maddie.
No worries. Thank you for having me.
At Choosing Your Uni, our mission is to make finding your ideal institution and your degree fun, easy and stress-free. So if you're looking to save some time, to discover more and to get personalised advice for every step of your journey, check out choosingyouruni.com. Our theme music is composed by Pasha Shogi and his band Flow, and this episode has been researched and constructed on Garigal land in Sydney. Until next time, have yourself an awesome day.